Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 12X and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find sound and vibration. And as you can see, this very first section is connected to the ringtone and actually the sound feedback, so we can change the sound for the notifications, alarms and the ringtone. All you have to do is to simply tap on the section which you would like to customize, so I will pick the ringtone. And as you can see, after tapping on it, you can see, let's say, 4 different options. So here you've got, after tapping on this section, you will be transferred to the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones. And here we've got 3 of them, which are, let's say, highlighted. So if you want to, you can listen how they sound, just tap on it. And you will be able to hear it. I will not volume it up too much. But if you do not like any of those options, just tap on more. And as you can see, here you've got full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, you've got the default ringtone, which was this Me remix, I believe. You can pick the option Don't Set Ringtone, which means that after picking this option, your device will simply not use the sound in order to notify you about the incoming call. What's more, you can choose online ringtone or choose local ringtone, and after tapping on this option, maybe not this option, but this option, you will be transferred to actually your own file. So if you will have any compatible ones, for example, downloaded or recorded, as you can see, because here we've got also the recorder, then you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ringtones, and all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it, and you will be able to listen how they sound. What's more, we've got also the info that it has been applied successfully, which means that at the same time, after tapping on it, you will also immediately apply it. So if you will pick, for example, this one, all you have to do is to simply go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here and of course here, which means that this is how to change the ringtone. Just tap on the one you'd like to use. So your device will right now use it in order to notify you about the incoming call. So actually this is it, and this is how to change the ringtone in your XIAOMI 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.